Okay, hi. I've got my copy of Home Designer Pro open and the library browser open. Of course, my stuff's there, but what I'm doing with this video is showing you other things you can try. I'm going to go over to Windows Explorer down here and open up Windows Explorer. The library files on your hard drive are located commonly in My Documents. On a Mac, it might be different, but on a PC, it's always in My Documents. And then you find Home Designer Pro data. See it right there? Now I've got a bunch of applications on my computer, but this is one of them. And double click on that and open it up. And then you find a folder called Database Libraries. And you can see I've got a rather large user library and trash. So if your user file still exists, this is where you'll find it. And what you can do, if it's there, I'm going to copy it and go over to my desktop. And paste a copy of it there. If it's there, you got a shot at saving it. Now the other files, yeah, there it is on my desktop. The other files, I'm going to minimize this for a moment. I'm going to go over here to the library area of the main toolbar, and you can install core content, again, if it's missing as well. And if your library browser is empty, that's probably the case. And then just left click on this command and then follow the prompts and download all your core content. And your manufacturer's catalogs and bonus catalogs, you can use this command here. Well, you could try this. If there's nothing in the library, there's nothing to update, but you can get additional content online and download as many of those libraries that are offered for free at the, well, let me just click on that. It opens a browser and takes you to this page where you can download, replace some of your missing stuff. And there's lots of stuff here. You might want to check it out. And if this doesn't work, then you need to, on Monday, you need to call Chief Architect Tech Support and get some specialized help with returning your software to a functioning condition. Reinstalling it didn't work. I don't really know what to say, but keep this Windows Explorer thing in mind. Now, with this here, a copy here, if you find any libraries, then you can just go up here to the library command and import library.calib and calibz. Left click on that. Then you navigate to where your stuff is. Now, let's see. Oh, that's for Chief Architect Premiere. I put it on the desktop. So we'll go to the disk. Where's the disk? There it is. And then select that and then click open and it'll reinstall. So there's still a few more things you can try. You can also do a Windows search for .calibz or .calib. Maybe, it's possible that those missing libraries got moved to some other place on your hard drive. I'm not going to do this right now. I just wanted to show you because I've already got my user libraries installed. Okay, well, that's it. I thought I'd offer this as something else you can do in the meantime until Monday when you can talk to tech support. Okay, thank you. Wish you some luck with your problem.